This video will show you how to create a QR code in Canva. So first click on this create button right here. I'll just create a new one. Once you are here, you will need to click on this apps icon in the left side. So click on apps. Now go to the search bar and then type in QR and then hit enter. Now you can select any of the app from this list. So I'll just pick this one. Now it is asking me to enter the URL, so I'll just enter the URL of my YouTube channel and then paste it here and then select generate code. Once the QR code is ready, you can resize it or edit it or rotate it however you like. After that, simply go ahead and download the QR code from here. There's also another way to create a QR code. So if you want to create a dynamic QR code that is more stylish and customizable, go to the Canva homepage. Now here click on this more icon and then go to apps. Now here you will need to scroll down and find this dynamic QR codes option. You can also search for it from here. So select the dynamic QR code option. Now click on add new. Now here it will again ask you to enter the URL. So I'll just enter the URL. Now it will ask me to enter a name for it. So I'll just type in a name. Now I can select any of the pattern from here and it will immediately appear here. So I can select the star or hearts pattern. I can also customize the corners, so I'll make them appear like this. I can then change the color from here. I can even pick the background color, so it's fully customizable. Finally, I can also add a logo, so I can add a logo of these popular websites, or I can add my own logo using this option. Once the QR code is ready, click on this create option right here. It will now appear here and you can then download it or use it in any of the designs. So I'll just download it from here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.